All right, we're starting out temperatures a little milder here today. Instead of the 40s and 50s, we've got temperatures mostly in the 60s with some 50s mixed in our coolest spots. Not a big change in the afternoon from where we were yesterday, but obviously a big change with the start of the day here from where we've been the last few days. You'll step outside, still feels comfortable, but nowhere near having that same kind of chill in the air that we had the last couple of mornings. All right, we're looking for highs, again, mostly in the mid-80s, could get up to 87, warmer spots in northwest Arkansas, mostly mid-80s in the River Valley, up to around 87, 88, warmer spots of the River Valley. All right, we're looking at scattered clouds trying to come in as we go through the day. Moisture already increasing across Louisiana, even though the majority of the storm, Francine, is in the Gulf of Mexico. You still get a lot of moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, even in the lower levels of the atmosphere. You can't think of this as just this small little storm that you're seeing on radar here. This really spreads out and is impacting a lot of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and even into southern Arkansas. We're seeing the moisture increasing. You see how these cloud bands kind of stream out. We'll get some of those mid to higher level clouds passing through the River Valley and even into northwest Arkansas later today. So if you see some clouds coming in from the south, those are coming in from Francine, which is a Category 1, a strong Category 1 hurricane. Category 2 starts when you get to 96 miles per hour, and that's forecast to happen. If you have interest in Louisiana, you're wondering about the latest forecast, again, anywhere along the coast here, 2 up to 10 feet of storm surge, and you're looking at 4 to 8 inches of rainfall, Louisiana into southern Mississippi. What about us here at home? Again, there will be some added cloud cover, and there will be some rainfall in parts of Arkansas. What about us? Again, we're still expecting the storm to kind of curve back to the northwest a little bit, and the center of the storm to move towards Memphis and kind of sit here and stall out Friday into Saturday. We may see the moisture kind of expand out a little bit, but it's going to bring a lot of deep tropical moisture with it, and the moisture in the air could lead to a few spotty showers, but you really want to be closer to this system if you're really needing the rainfall. The further west you go on these, there is always a very sharp gradient from rain to no rain. It's not like the east sides of these storm systems. Moisture could be deep enough south of I-40 that we get a few spotty showers later today, overnight and into tomorrow. Again, with the system in eastern Arkansas, we can't rule out a few scattered bands moving into our area, but overall, it is looking like we're mostly going to be dry, but it's tricky. We've got to watch this forecast. If it shifts any to the west or to the east, that will greatly impact our rain chances here in the next 48 hours. Again, moisture increases overnight, maybe a stray shower, a few sprinkles, and then as we go through the day tomorrow, a lot of rain across eastern Arkansas. Can we get a couple of those bands to work into western Arkansas? It's going to be possible. Because of that, we have a scattered shower chance there, really picking up overnight and through the day on Thursday. We'll be watching that for you. At the very least, we'll get the added cloud cover to help drop temperatures a couple of degrees. But it's going to be a warm one here the next several days. A lot of 80s and even 90s showing back up through the weekend into early next week.
I mean, 90s, lower 90s are okay, but
not too bad.
Mid-90s, that's
We're trying to
worst.
get rid of them. We got rid of the triple digits. Next progression in this transition into fall is, can we get rid of the 90s?
Yes.
We're not there yet, but you see we're having less and less of those mid-90s, some lower 90s.
Okay, that's good.